Major emphasis is to mobilize the hidden genetic diversity from the gene bank into the breeding pipeline. That is the major focus. So we are using both high throughput genome sequencing efforts as well as the phenotype, then try to characterize those resources and make available to the breeding program. So we are bridging the germplasm so that, because you understand a little bit about that, because we have the material in the wheat bank, because we have 140,000 sessions in our gene bank. So much. So the other target is that how we can bring that variation of 140,000 to the breeding pipeline. So then we are using the genomics, phenotyping approach, all possible tools to bring those variation into breeding program. And we are successful. We have done 50,000 accessions genotype by sequence from CIMMET and 20,000 from ACADA gene bank. So we have almost 70,000 accessions of genotype. Then we have phenotype 100,000 accessions. So then we have developed the pre-breeding germplasm 8,000 accessions, which is now in final stage, growing in Mexico, in El Batan. So which will go into the NARS partners in next year. So those are the activities we are trying to focus in next year, and hopefully we will give some impact of the investment. And these all investment is through the Mexican government. So the Mexican government put $70 million for 7 years for wheat and maize crop, both. So that's a huge investment, and we are exploring some new technology, new sources to complement our ongoing breeding efforts. So what we are doing in the breeding, that is fine, excellent. But we need to move some new variation, new tools, technology to address the future changes. It's climate change or any other changes, adverse changes. So that's what we are now focusing more to deliver the impact at the farmer field. I think in wheat now the wheat genome sequencing is underway. It's a lot of efforts globally, and the scientists of the global communities, they are trying to sequence the wheat genome. Then we will learn more biology, how the genes are working. Then maybe give some new ideas how we can challenge the future, address the future challenges in different way. Because if we have more knowledge, then maybe we will evolve some new areas. We can address nicely the future challenges.